5. The first second question is given PQR is a triangle, a right angle triangle at the P, and M is a point on the QR such that you have PM is perpendicular to QR and show that PM square is QM into MR. So this is the given diagrams. Okay, in this triangle is PQR, angle is P is 90 degree and M is a point of, and this is the perpendicular. Okay, now it is given in triangle PQR that angle of P is 90 degree. Okay, and second is given that is PM perpendicular to QR. It's mean the angle of M is 90. Okay, and you show that is PM square is equal to QM into MR. Okay, it's mean that PM square means PM multiply PM and QM multiply MR. It is the start the solution. Okay, now is given that the angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, why are you given the name of the angle? Now in solution time you have understand why are you given the name of the angles. Now is the PM, this is the side of PM, and again PM and QM, that is the QM and QR. It's mean their two triangles are similar. They write that in triangle PMQ, where is the PMQ, and triangle PMR. Now we have draw the triangle similarly to this angle 1 and angle 2 is a 90 degree. Okay, angle 1 and angle 2 is a 90. Okay, now that is in a triangle, in triangle PMQ, PM and Q, the angle of 1 plus angle 2, angle 4 and angle 5 is equal to 180. Okay, and angle 1 is a value of angle 1 is a 90. It's mean that the angle of 4 plus angle 5 is equal to a 180. It's mean that the angle of 4 plus angle of 5 is equal to 90. Okay, and second is given already that the angle of 3 and angle of 4 is equal to 90. This is the 90 angle. According to two equations, you write angle of 4 plus angle 5 is equal to angle of 3 plus angle of 4. 4 cancel. It's mean that the angle of 5 and angle of 3 is equal. In angle 3 is a in triangle PMR. Where is the triangle PMR? This is the triangle PMR. You write is 3 is equal to 5. Okay, it is a theorem 6.7, or you are not write the theorem 6.7, you write the solution of in between. Okay, now we write the triangles PQR similar triangle of PMR by angle Cartesians. Okay, angles Cartesians. Now you solve. It's mean the side of triangles, so that the PM upon in this triangle PM upon QM. Okay, and in this triangle we'll write MR upon PM. After cross multiplication you write PM square is equal to QM into MR. It is the proof that PM is equal to QM plus MR. So this is the very important calculation. Okay, and theorem 6.7 is asked. What is the ask? This theorem 6.7 is asked. Suppose in a right angle triangles and 90 angles will be draw, opposite sides will perpendicular. It's mean there are three triangles, 1, 2 and then big triangle 3. They have 1 similar 2, 1 similar 3 and 2 similar 3. It's according to theorem 6.6. Question number third. In the figure ABC is given at the figure is the triangle right angle at the point of A, and AC, that the AC is a perpendicular to BD. Okay, and show that three questions is AB square is equal to BC square into BD. Okay, and AC square is equal to BC into DC, and third is a AD square upon is equal to BD plus CD. Okay, so this is the given the diagram. In this diagram is a three right angle triangle. Is the first will be angle ABD. Okay, and second will be ABC, and third ACD. Okay, so similarly first we solve that. Solution of first is solution to AB square is equal to BC into BD. Okay, now we solve in triangle. You show AB. Where is the AB? AB, this line segment is 2 times will used, and BC in this, and BD. And BD, where is the BD? B to D. Means in use the two triangles. In triangle ABC and second triangle is ABC is a big triangle, a small triangle first, and big triangle is ABD. Okay, first triangle is small, this the ABC, and second triangle is ABD. Okay, now in this triangle you have draw small diagrams. Big triangle always that this size is BA and D, and it is a small triangle is a, you have draw that BCA. It is the right angle triangles. Okay, then we write in the triangle ABC triangle of C is equal to angle of A is a 90 angles. Okay, and second will be angle B is a common. Angle B is equal to angle of B is the common angles. Okay, it's mean the triangle of ABC similar triangle of ABD. Why? That angle property. Okay, and write the AB here with the AB upon BD. Second will write BC upon BA या AB, and third line segment first will complete, second is a AC upon DA. So you have used the first two is used and cross multiplication, that means AB into AB is equal to BD into BC. This is the form of 2 times multiply, the square is ABD into BC. This is the first solution. Okay, now second solution is given. Second solution is AC square is equal to BD into DC. It's the similar to question number second. Here will be is AC square is equal to BC plus DC. So in these two triangles, again in triangle ABC and triangle ACD. ABC and ACD. First will be triangle of, you write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, because you have tried the ABC, the triangle ABC. In angle 1 is equal to angle of 2. Okay, and angle of 3 is equal to angle of 5. It is 90 angle, and it is theorem 6.7. So this is the triangle of ABC, similar triangle ACD. Why? Angle Cartesians. Okay, now here we will prove that AB upon BC, and second is CD upon AB. Now cross multiplication, write AB square is equal to BC into CD. This is the proof of second solution. Okay, and next will be third solution. Third solution is AB. Now third solution we write AD square is equal to BC, BD and CD. AD, where is the AD? AD is a line segment. Again will AD 2 times. We will write the AD into AD is BD into CD. Okay, so that BD, where is the BD? B and D this side, and CD. AD, where is the AD? This is this. So you have in this question you have choose two triangles again. The BAD is a big triangle and a small triangle will choose C upper triangles, means is the main triangle is 3 number, this is triangle 2 and this is the triangle 1. This time there is a first time you use 1 and 3, here we will use 2 and 3. Okay, 3 is a big triangles. The BAC, BAD and second triangle with that angle C is a 90 and D and C A. A means angle of 3, B is angle 5, D is a common angle and CA is a 90. So they will write in triangle, which triangle? BAD and triangle. Its triangle, second triangle name is triangle of ACD. Okay, now here we write in angle of A is equal to angle of C is a 90 angle, and angle of D is equal to angle of D. It is a common angle. It's mean the triangle BAD similar triangle of ACD. Why? Angle Cartesians. And you write here will be and AD upon BD. Okay, and second AD upon BD. You will check AD upon BD and CD upon again AD. Okay, then B cross multiplication, you write AB square is equal to BD into CD. This is the third solution. ABC is a isosceles triangles and right angle at the C. At the proof AB square is equal to 2AC square. Okay, so that is a solve. First will we draw isosceles triangles in right angle triangle. So that is the angle. Okay, isosceles triangle means this side is equal to this side, and angle of C is a 90. You write the A and B. Okay, in triangle ABC, angle of C is equal to 90. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem is H square is equal to B square plus P square. Okay, here is the value of this value is H, this is the base and this is the perpendicular. So you write the value of hypotension is AB square is equal to BP is a AC square and plus CB square. Okay, and ABC in triangle ABC is AC equal to BC is a given. This side are equal. Now you write the AB square is equal to AC square, and place of BC is write the AC square. It's mean directly you write AB square is equal to 2 times of AC square. In triangle ABC is isosceles triangle, and with AC and BC are equal if is given that AB square is equal to 2AC square. So that if you write, okay, now it is given that since, okay, what is the given that say ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, and AC equal to BC, and its second condition is that AB square is equal to 2AC square. Okay, in triangle ABC, suppose we will draw a triangle ABC. Okay, now ABC, a rough diagram. Okay, but is not a right angle. Okay, so that we write AB square is equal to 2AC. 2AC means AC square plus AC square, and that the AC square plus, if you write AC is equal to BC. Now replace the value of BC to AC square, that is the AB square. in triangle ABC, that AB square is equal to AB, AC square plus BC square, and it's a triangle C is equal to 90 angle. It's mean triangle ABC is a right angle triangles, because this is the Pythagoras theorems. Question number 6 is asked, ABC is a equilateral triangles of the side is 2A. So first you draw equilateral triangles. What is the meaning of equilateral triangles? They all sides are equal. Okay, that is the A start to up level is A, B, C. Okay, and each side is 2A, and here is the length is 2A unit and 2A, and find the each of the altitudes. Okay, in a equilateral triangles all types of altitudes, means that first altitude, second and third, the side are equal. So you have draw one altitude. Okay, now given, what is given? Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangles, is a equilateral triangles, and side is equal to 2A unit. Okay, and the construction, what is the construction? That the construction is a construction you have write AD, this is the AD perpendicular to BC. Okay, and D is a midpoint of BC, because the equilateral triangle, in equilateral triangle is a perpendicular is a median and perpendicular are same. Okay, so the part is equal to this part, means BC means BD equal to DC. Okay, it's means you write is BC is equal to 1 upon 2 BD. Okay, BD is equal to 1 upon 2 BC, and second is a DC is equal to 1 upon 2 BC. Okay, then we find the value of is BD is equal to 1 upon 2 into BC. Value of BC is 2A. The right is only A. Okay, in triangle ABD, angle of D is equal to 90. By Pythagoras theorem is H square is equal to B square plus P square. H is a AB, it means AB square is equal to base is BD square, and P is a altitude is A square. Now put the value. AB is a square of 2A square, BD is a unit A square, and plus AD square, and find the value of AD. It's the AD square is equal to 2A square minus A square. 2A square means 4A square minus A square is equal to 3A square for AD square. Okay, only find the value of AD, that AD is equal to root 3A. You write the A root 3 is the length of altitude of triangle ABC. Question number 7, prove that the sum of the square of the sides of the rhombus, it's mean the given the shape of the rhombus. Okay, rhombus, and equal to sum of the square of its diagonals, means you draw the diagonals inside A, B, C, and D. Okay, and diagonals intersect on the point O, and it is the property because given ABCD is a rhombus, okay, and AC and BD are diagonal is intersect on O. It is a given, okay, and you write the property of rhombus. क्या होती है property of the rhombus is the diagonals are perpendicular bisect. Perpendicular bisect means the angle of AOB is equal to angle of BOC is equal to angle of COD and is equal to angle of DOA is equal to 90. Okay, and second property is a bisect. Perpendicular bisect means AO is equal to OC and second BO is equal to OD. These are two property of rhombus in suppose the diagonals are intersect in the point. Okay, of since how many triangles will be? Some right angle 1 2 3 4. So choose the one angles in triangle AOB. Angle of O is equal to 90. Angle of O is equal to 90. By Pythagoras theorem you write AB square is equal to and here will we not write what is the proof. Now first will we write the proof. To prove क्या proof करना है that sum of the square of the side. Sum of the square of the side means all side is AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to the sum of all sides I square of the rhombus is equal to sum of the its diagonals. Diagonals is a AC square plus BD square. ये this is the this line is a you have proof. Okay, since start AB, where is the AB first? Okay, in triangle AOB, angle of O is equal to 90. So you write by Pythagoras theorem A square, this is diagonals, is AO square plus OB square. Okay, AO square upon OC square. So you have write AB square is equal to OA. What is the OA? OA is a half of AC. So it means 1 upon 2 AC square plus 1 upon 2 OB. OB is a half of BD. Okay. Now solve. AB square is equal to AC square upon 4 plus BD square upon 4. 4 will be transfer. It means 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. It is the equation 1. Okay. This is the equation 1. Similarly, you have solved. You write the similarly. Similarly, in these triangles, that write the 4BC square is the side is equal to AC square plus BD square. Okay, this is the equation second. Now next, BC after CD, that the 4CD square is equal to, you write here 4CD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. The first equation, AB is a side and AC and BD is a diagonals. Now similarly you write second side, BC square is equal to both diagonals, and third side and fourth is DA square is equal to AC square plus BD square is the equation 3, equation 4, and sum of equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. The sum is 4AB square plus 4BC square, left hand side will be, and 4CAD square plus 4DA square. Okay, and right hand side is AC square plus BD square. How many times? AC 1, 2, 3, 4. BD 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write the in bracket. And 4 also common. To write that AB square plus BC square plus CD square and plus DA square is equal to 4 in bracket AC square plus BD square. 4 to 4 cancel, in the AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to AC square plus BD square. D and E are the point on the side CA and BC respectively. The triangle ABC is a right angle triangles at C. Okay, now first we will draw the point of C, the angle of C. Okay, and here will be and here A. Okay, and ask the D and E is a point of the CA. CA, where is the CA? The CA is the point of D. It is not midpoint, and here will be point of E. Okay, then we find AE. AE means you join the A. BD. BD means you join the point of BD. Okay, and join this triangles. Okay, but AB is not parallel to DE. Here is a DE, so you do join the DE. Okay, in this question, according to question means the question में दिया है वो सब कुछ. Okay, now in triangles, here will be AE. Where is the AE? This is the AE. AE is a hypotenuse of triangle AEC. So in triangle AEC, angle of C is a 90. So you write AE square is equal to AC square plus EC square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. In triangle AEC, AE is a hypotenuse and EC is a base and AC is a perpendicular. Okay, and this the first term is solved, AE. Second is a BD. Where is the BD? BD is a side of triangle. In triangle BCD, angle of C is equal to 90, which this triangle. Okay, now write the BD square is equal to BC square plus EC square. Okay, in the equation second, this is equation 1, and you prove AE plus BD. Here is the AE and BD. तो प्लस, now sum equation 1 and 2. Okay, now left hand side is a AE square plus BD square is come, AE square plus BD come, and the remaining part is AC square plus EC square plus BC square plus EC square. AC, this part and this part will be right. Okay, EC, and here will is DC because the angle of BCD. Okay, now write AC square plus BC square, you write the separate, and second two values are write the separate. Why? Because AC and BC is related to triangle ABC, and EC and DC will related to triangle second triangles. You write in triangle ABC, angle of C is equal to 90. So you write AB square plus AB is equal to AC square plus BC square. And in triangle, a small triangle of EDC, where is the EDC? Is ED square is equal to, because here 90, C angle is a 90, EC is equal to EC square plus DC square. From this equation you have write directly, here we write AB square plus ED, yeah, DE square. Okay, so write the AE plus BD is equal to AB square plus DE square. Number 14. Okay, the perpendicular point A from the BC, okay, in triangle ABC intersect BC line at the point of D, and such that is given that DB, the length of DB is 3 into CD, and prove that, here will be proof. To prove is 2AB is equal to 2AC and plus BC square. Okay, AB, where is the AB? AB, AC, here is the AC. Then is AB is a perpendicular, is the hypotenuse of triangle ADB, and AC is a hypotenuse of triangle ACD. So you have find first is in triangle ABD, angle of D is equal to 90 because it is the perpendicular. Okay, now you write AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square is equation 1. It is the HBP from this equation, this triangle, and in triangle ADC, in this triangle, this is the value of H, this is the V, and this is the P, is angle of D is equal to 90 degree. Okay, you write that AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square is equation second. Okay, equation 1 and 2 you see AB AC and AB is equal to AC. So you write subtract equation 1 equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, now subtract, you write is AB square minus AC square is equal to AD square plus DB square plus ADA minus AD square minus CD square. AD cancel is the value of DB square minus CD square. Okay, and then AB is come, AC will come. You have changed the both sides in the form of BC because last is only BC. So you write the AB square minus AC square. This is the equation number 3. Okay, now you check given. Given is a DB is equal to 3 CD. Okay, DB is equal to 3 C. DB, this is the part of DB is equal to 3 C, and BC is the, now we BC is equal to CD plus DB. Okay, BC is equal to CD plus DB. Okay, so that is the value. CD is not given, BD is a 3 CD. According this, its mean is 4 CD. Now CD is equal to BC upon 4. This is the first condition, is the put the value of CD there. Now second will be given, BC is equal to CD plus DB. Okay, its mean BC minus CD is equal to DB, and BC minus CD is the value of BC upon 4 from here is equal to DB, and after subtraction is 4BC minus BC upon 4 is equal to DB. It's mean 3BC upon 4 is equal to DB. Okay, now both value will be put in equation. Both value will be put in equation third. Equation third is a equation third is AB square minus AC square is equal to DB square minus CD square. That is the DB value is 3 by 4 BC square, and CD is a 1 upon 4 BC square. Okay, now solve. 3 is a 9 is a 16, and BC square minus 1 upon 16 BC square. So you have solved is 16, that 9 BC square minus 1 BC square. This means 8 BC square upon 16. Okay, 8 to the 16. It means that is the BC square upon 2. BC upon 2. The left hand side value is AB square minus AC square. 2 will be transferred. You write AB square minus 2AC square is equal to BC square. Okay, here will be find 2AB square is equal to, will transfer 2AC square plus BC square.